welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. I know I haven't made a craft video for a while, so I thought I'd bring you along with me right now. Meaning I'm currently in the middle of trying to make some card kits for a scrapbooking, crafting, card making retreat I'm going on the end of the month. And so that's what is laid out on my work surface here right now. I'm trying to figure out what paper I like together. And so far I think I like this together. And I think I like this together. And I like this one with it as well. And then I really like this one, as even though this isn't exactly the same pattern, it almost looks identical to that. And so I really like this pattern with this. I think it kind of really brings that together. So that I've got 4 sheets of each cut, as I've got 16 pieces of this particular pattern. What I did was I took a full-size sheet of paper that I'd bought years ago, Christmas paper I bought years ago, and I cut it up, and I came up with 4 different designs. There's this one with the stocking on it, this one with the moose, and this one with the presents, and this one with the tree. And so I had, when I cut them all up, there's 16 of each. And then I went through and I cut some coordinating cardstock to mat them on. And I've got 16 of those cut. And I've got different colors to kind of go with each one. I did a dark green with this. And then I did another dark brown with this one. So these two have dark brown. This one has green, and this one has a light brown. So, and then I'm just putting them into a baggie so that I have them all together. And like this. And for this one, I went with this. It again brought out the package color there. And I think this one is kind of nice behind here. And these Christmas words here. And then this design. So I've got those. And for this one, I've already also gone ahead and cut and folded my cardstock for my card bases. There's 16 of those. So this kit is almost done. I just need to add bling and ribbon or whatever else I might want to put in there. So there's 16 cards that I can make at the retreat. And here's another 16. So for this pack, I still need to do the card bases. And then for this one, what I'm thinking about for this is I can't get my designer series paper for this one yet. I'm having a hard time with this one, coming up with what I like for the backgrounds here. So this one I might need to finish up later. But I'm going to put these in here for now. And then for this one, I'm going with, oops. So I like this together. I think that that's a nice background there. So there's 4. And then there's this background. Kind of iffy on, but I'm thinking I'm going to go with it. I don't think I like this one with it. We'll see though. And then this, again, it's not the exact same pattern, but it's really close. So I kind of like that together. Maybe not so much on camera. I'm not sure. And then this one. So then there's my 16 of those. And with these, I'm not sure on my card bases yet. I was originally thinking I was going to go with this red, but this red wouldn't go on there. So, yeah, I'm probably going to be redoing those, thinking up those card bases for this. So that's where I'm at currently. But so that'll be 16 and 16 and 16 and 16 for a total of 64 cards right here with these 4 little batches. All from, I think it was a total of 4 sheets of card that I cut up. And this was really old because this is what it was. It was Creative Imaginations, and it was the holiday season. And then I've also cut this paper, American Traditional Designs, and it was Holiday Cheer. And that is all of these. And now I just need to figure out how I want to put these together. So there's these, and they go both directions, and this light green, and then there's a dark green with the, with this kind of stocking on it. And then there's also, light green and dark green with this kind of stocking, and both of them go both directions. And then there's also light and dark green of the stocking, and again they both go either direction. So I need to figure out how I want to put these together. If I were to do these all as just one as my focal point on the card, that would be a total of 72. There's 72 pieces right here. So that would give me another 72 cards just with these, plus figuring out what else I want to put behind it. And so total then I would have 136 cards, but I don't know, you know, that's what I want to do. I'm thinking maybe I would do something more, like putting three cards or 3 stockings, or maybe even 4 stockings on a card, you know, something, I don't know, something like that. I don't know. So I'm still trying to come up with that design. But I have a little bit of time to figure it out, luckily. So that's what I have for you for today. I know it's not an exciting video, but I wanted to get something out there, let you know what I'm working on. And for Thursday, I'm going to try and get another video out on Thursday. And that one, I'm hoping to have an actual card design done and made that you can follow along with, hopefully. Or at least get you thinking and getting your creative juices going as well. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe. But I just appreciate you being here watching, and I thank you and have a good day. Bye.